Hi, I am LaShonda Brown. I am a certified BodyTalk practitioner and owner of LaShonda Janae LLC. The purpose of this little short video is to just share some facts about the lymphatic system and the lymphatic drainage technique created by John Veltheim, the actual founder of the BodyTalk system, as well as Sylvia, an advanced BodyTalk practitioner, instructor, and licensed massage therapist. So the lymphatic system is the first step in our healing process outside of us deciding. The lymphatic system acts as our secondary filtration system, assisting our bodies to cleanse itself. The lymphatic system consists of lymph fluid, lymph nodes, vessels, to say the least, which it also consists of circulating throughout the tonsils, the adenoids, our spleen, thymus, all of which plays a major role in our immune system. The lymph is a clear yellow fluid, which is the leftover plasma from our blood leaking out of the cardiovascular system's capillary and in cells. This fluid is known as interstitial fluid, which this fluid absorbs into our lymph capillaries, and we call it lymph. The lymph contains nutrients that we need for our body to properly heal and operate as it's intended. So the John Veltheim lymphatic drainage technique is a completely safe treatment process, supporting the proper flow of the interstitial fluid, allowing the proper functioning of the lymph system. This interstitial fluid supports the lymph around the cells, supporting the immune system, the circulatory system, and all of the other body systems by maintaining proper fluid balance in the whole body. So why is this important? When the body-mind is congested in the lymph system, it affects the whole body and its ability to function properly. This stagnant lymphatic system means the lymph fluid cannot flow to the right direction. Lymph nodes are clogged and the lymph vessels are stewing in its own pool of toxicity. If there is stagnation and congestion within the body-mind, it causes pain, swelling, and emotional instability. The lymphatic system is the only system in the body-mind that does not have its own pumping systems like the heart does, which means it moves and flushes as we move, right? According, like walking, bouncing, exercising, etc. So for example, if a person is experiencing any kind of pain in their joints or dysfunction in their joints, regardless of any kind of manual therapy, such as chiropractor, physical therapy, or whatnot, they're not getting any better, or the progress is really slow. That is a sign that there is fluid buildup in that body part. This fluid may not be addressed by those therapies or other therapies. This fluid congestion consists of acid buildup as well as toxins within those tissues. And swelling happens, which is called edema, as well as preventing the proper blood flow circulating and draining out of that body part, which is slowing the healing process. The Veltheim lymphatic drainage technique is effective in supporting the movement of this interstitial fluid through the tissues and into the lymphatic system to create a clean environment where fresh oxygenated blood and its nutrients is now able to circulate within, to, and from these tissues to create an environment where healing can take place naturally and properly as nature intended it. A good rule of thumb: healing requires healthy blood circulation and proper nutrients within that blood as well. According to the Center of Disease Control, there's over 50 million Americans walking around with chronic pain, and the number's growing as I speak, as well as other diseases. This is a sign that there's stagnation, fluid, and toxins in the body. When it comes to the Veltheim lymphatic drainage technique, it is gentle. It's an energetic flowing process that works with a wavical motion that actually helps the interstitial fluid become properly placed in the body, restoring balance within the lymphatic system as well as the body. I am able to effectively accomplish 4 things while doing a lymphatic drainage technique. Remove any kind of stagnation within the lymph fluid in the upper, lower, and the middle body. 2, balancing the body-mind. giving it some new programming because it helps to release some emotional release using biofeedback and other techniques. 3, normalizing the automatic nervous system. And 4, relieve tension and get that fluid moving in the right direction out of the lymph nodes or to the lymph nodes and properly processed. So who needs lymphatic drainage technique? I always say anyone who has a heart as well as a lymphatic system needs a lymphatic drainage technique. If you deal with chronic pain, muscle discomfort, detoxification concerns, chronic or acute pain, immune system weaknesses, poor digestion, sinuses or allergies, body tissues disorders, inflammation, edema, or autoimmune, this system will serve you. Okay. I hope you found this video informative and has brought you to a greater awareness of what your body may be speaking to you and talking to you. So I invite you to have a chat with me if you have questions about this actual technique and how it may serve you. You can schedule your lymphatic drainage technique as well as a body talk session with me at www.LaShondaJanae.com. And I look forward to working with you and answering your questions. Thank you for listening. Bye.